What's up? It's STM. Today I'm going to be showing you my recording process in FL Studio. I did one for Logic X recently, so you can check that out. I'll be dropping the link below. But today I'm doing for FL Studio. So my process for recording in FL Studio is very simple. It's just making things fast and easy. Most of the time, just like when I record an artist in Logic, I'm usually making the beat and recording at the same time. In my head, I always try to keep things simple. Make channel 20 my recording insert. I'm connected to my Scarlett 2i2 USB here, and there are two inputs on it. I'm going to be connected to input 1. Don't connect to two inputs. That's stereo. You are only going to be hearing from one side of your ear. And in this case, that's my left side, because input 1 is left and input 2 is right. But when you select just one, because a vocal is a mono signal, so input 1, and then I route this track to 19 and switch that off. Now I cannot hear myself, and that's going to avoid latency, especially when you have a very small CPU and you are running a beat that has a lot of plugins. That can affect and slow down your CPU when you drag down this buffer length. Or I can get around not having a lot of CPU. I can set my buffer length high and still not have to worry about latency, because I won't be hearing myself.
2, 3, go. Yeah, yeah.
Right now we've recorded that. Oh, you might not hear the beat, and that's because to set this up first, I don't know, there's a bug with that. Now you hear the beat. Let's just play that. So now you can hear the beat. Now let's add some effects to my vocals. I'll set up a channel. Most times I'm usually setting up channel 2. I don't like to set up effects directly on where I'm recording, so I'll just do channel 2. Most times I usually have a template, but here I've not saved anything, so I'll just show you what the template is. Waves, tune, real-time stereo, and CLA vocals. Those are the first two plugins. So CLA vocal is going to be set to face to face. This beat has a minor note. It's not C major actually, it's A minor. A minor, yeah, A minor. It's actually A minor, not natural minor, because it has an accidental, that is this note here. You have to set it to X for that note to work. So I'm going to name that lead vocals. Lead vocals. So now I'm going to use that lead vocal channel. I just hold shift and yeah, so I'm going to use that lead vocal channel as a bus, and instead of routing any vocal I record directly into it, I'm just going to route this to a separate track here. That's 3, as you can see. Now I'm going to route this to the lead vocal track. No, I told you I say no. So that's how it is.